More and more of our time is spent sitting down hunched at our desks staring at computer screens. If you work a 9-to-5 desk job or spend a lot of time at your desk, you may not realize, but all that sitting can be bad for your health. Standing desk or alter your current desk setup so that you can work while in a standing position. There are many products available to choose cheap standing desk, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap standing desk from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mounted Mobile Standing Desk. The mounted, stand-up mobile workstation is perfect for users who want to use a standing desk as their main workspace. It features rock-solid construction with ample room for storing a CPU, printer, monitor, keyboard and other office supplies. Built-in casters make moving the desk from room to room easier, while locking brakes keep the desk securely in place while you work. The mounted, stand-up mobile workstation's height can be adjusted by up to 17 inches, making this versatile desk a great choice for home offices, retail stores, factories, trade shows, and schools. The desk can even be used as a speaking podium. That being said, some users have reported that the desk is too high, even at its lowest height setting. If you're looking for a standing desk that can also be used as a sitting desk, the mounted, stand-up mobile workstation may not be the right choice for you. Number 2. Vivo Electric Stand-Up Desk Frame Workstation. The Vivo Electric Stand is a sit-to-stand desk frame that utilizes an electric lift system to adjust the height of the desk between 28.7 and 48 inches. The frame is compatible with tabletops measuring 41 to 85 inches wide, 23 to 44 inches deep, and at least 0.75 inches thick. The Vivo Electric Stand features touchscreen controls, allowing you to set your desired height settings with just a few taps of a finger. You can also set alarms as reminders to stand throughout your workday. The Vivo Electric Stand has a maximum weight capacity of 174 pounds, making it more than sturdy enough to hold several monitors, computer speakers, and a laptop. A frequent complaint among customers is that the Vivo Electric Stand does not come ready to use out of the box. Although the assembly instructions are easy enough to follow, putting the frame together can take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. A few customers have also complained about the desk wobbling slightly when they type. For the most part, though, the Vivo Electric Stand offers excellent stability, durability, and versatility for its price. Number 3. FlexiSpot M2B Standing Desk. The FlexiSpot M2B standing desk is designed to convert your existing sitting desk to a standing desk. It features a gas spring hovering system that allows the desk's height to be adjusted according to whether you are sitting or standing. When placed on a standard desk with a height of 30 inches, the FlexiSpot can accommodate users up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. The desk has a maximum weight capacity of 35 pounds, which is sufficient for holding most laptops and computer monitors. A separate platform holds your keyboard, while a slot built into the desk surface allows you to easily prop up your smartphone or tablet. One minor drawback with the FlexiSpot M2B standing desk is that the keyboard platform can be tilted or adjusted. Number 4. Stand Steady XLE Pro Standing Desk. The XLE Pro Height Adjustable Desk Converter is similar to some of the other sit-to-stand converters on our list, in that it utilizes a hydraulic lift mechanism to adjust the desktop height. To raise or lower the desk, you simply pull on the levers located on each side of the unit. The XLE Pro features a flat, white desktop measuring 28 inches wide and 20 inches deep, and a space-saving base that measures 16.8 by 24.5 inches. It can accommodate up to 27 pounds of weight. The desk converter can be adjusted between 5 inches and 16 inches high. Number 5. Sitsand Height Spring Arm Keyboard Tray Desk. The Vivo Spring Arm Keyboard Tray Desk mount features a post and tray design with a clamp that allows you to easily convert any tabletop into an ergonomic workstation. It is designed to accommodate monitors up to 32 inches in size, and can support up to 17.5 pounds of weight. A separate keyboard tray extends toward you when needed and pushes away when not in use. The Vivo desk mount utilizes a gas-assisted spring mechanism to help you adjust the screen to a viewing angle that works for you. The monitor viewing angle can be adjusted between -35 to -35 degrees, and the display can be swiveled 180 degrees. The Vivo desk mount has virtually no footprint, making it an excellent choice for those who still want to be able to use their existing desktop. It also comes with a cord management system and a 3-year manufacturer warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.